Hi, this is Alan from Albus Group, and I'd like to tell you about our offer to investors. We help investors to build property portfolios and optimize their returns on investment. We've got profitable investment and development projects in the UK for those who may wish to invest in UK property. Our services are related to property development, so we undertake all the necessary design and construction activities and development management in order to quickly and efficiently transform the value of any property. And also we source properties for investment, and we acquire portfolios of property, and we can therefore provide properties to our investors to suit their particular requirements. We've got an extensive track record in the development of property and investment in UK and in Europe and beyond. We're looking to acquire portfolios of properties from landlords at the moment. These may be commercial or residential or mixed use portfolios. And what we will do is we'll look at these portfolios with a view to transforming the value. That's improving the value of these, and also splitting off investments to suit our investors who may require smaller property investments. These are some examples of properties that we've invested in. Some of them are still our investments, others we've bought and sold. And these are in different parts of the UK, in Windsor, Swindon, Sunningdale, Battersea, house in Slovenia, Emsworth, Stockwell in London. This was a conversion project, converted to 2 flats and a maisonette. Birmingham, house refurbishment and extension, therefore transformed the value. Finchley, conversion of terraced house to 2 flats. Houses in Portsmouth, refurbished and sold, and Oxted in Surrey, acquired and sold for returns ranging between 10% and 100% on the capital employed. This is an example of a project which we carried out for a client. It's at Hyde Park Gate, and it's serviced accommodation. It was basically an old building, listed building in need of refurbishment. It was extended and also transformed into high quality serviced accommodation, 5-star quality finishes. So we can achieve this sort of finish where it's required, and of course where the investment funds are available to achieve this sort of standard. Benefits of investing with Alpus: we can arrange an investment strategy that suits your long-term plan to build wealth. We can help you to identify areas to invest in. We can suggest creative finance strategies for you. This may include vendor finance, and it could include purchase lease options, or it could be a rent-to-rent strategy in order to build cash flow. We help you to arrange your acquisitions to suit your personal tax situation, and we also can help you to acquire property from which you can get the benefit of cash flow and capital growth without actually purchasing it. So this is using purchase lease options. So with a variety of strategies, we can help you to maximize the return on your investment. And we can transform property to increase value. I'll explain how we do this. We increase property value by a number of different means. Buying at a discount is one way, and therefore we can add value to the property by extending it, or we can refurbish it. We can change the use of the building or part of the building. We can carry out a change of use using permitted development rights, which means we can add value without the need for planning permission per se, provided the building meets the criteria for permitted development. Or we can seek planning permission to increase value and change the use, known as planning gain. And we can change the rental or lease terms of a particular property, so we can increase the value as a result of, for example, co-living arrangements where we take a residential house and we split it down room by room, provide high quality co-living space to professionals or other renters, or we can change to serviced accommodation use, which can be extremely profitable. So by a means of a variety of different means, we can transform the value and increase the cash flow from a property. So why invest with Alpus? We know the UK property market. We transform the value of property. We've got strategies to suit all investors. We can arrange creative finance solutions. For example, with purchase lease options, you can rent or lease until you decide to buy. So you can acquire property without major outlay. We fix problem properties, so something that's unmortgageable we can make into a mortgageable property. And we have a list of investors waiting to buy a variety of different things, so we can trade property as well. And we can phase acquisition short and long term. We're looking to the long term, and we can match our availability of property with those investors who are looking for short-term returns, i.e. rent to rent. So we're a group of companies specializing in property investment and development. We transform value. We're looking for property acquisition and investments long term. We've extensive experience of transforming buildings and infrastructure sites from lower to high value by repurposing them from one use to another. These are my contact details. Alan Edwards. I'm the managing director of Alpus Group. You can contact me on alan@alpusgroup.com. You can call me on 0333 224 1257 or on 07539 141257, or you can book a calendar link on calendly.com/AlanJE, and we can have a scheduled talk. So we're looking to acquire UK property portfolios on behalf of investors, and also we help investors to build their investment portfolios and achieve good returns. And we can help investors in the UK and overseas who wish to invest in the UK property. So please get in touch. We'll be happy to have a discussion with you. Cheers.